What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Yeah, I think it's time for another YouTube video. I haven't seen you guys in a while. You guys haven't seen me in a while on YouTube. And what I want to do, real quick, is to explain today's trade. I have posted it on my story already, and I got some people asking me, okay, why exactly did you take this trade? And why I explain this trade in particular is because I myself found it very interesting, and I want to tell you guys about it. So, I know I'm always recording from the best locations. I'm currently in Dubai. Okay, so after a whole week of no trading, we finally found a banger, and I want to go into this real quick. So basically, what the hell is this wick? That's a CPI wick. We quite did not have the best CPI numbers, which created this little wick. And I was actually first bullish on the day. I mean, we had manipulation all the way up to London, where we took out this high over here. I can actually mark it out. So okay, we had this manipulation over here, and I thought, okay, let's look for shorts. What happened on CPI? We go down and we sweep out all of this. We even sweep out the last drop of sell side liquidity on the intraday basis. And when I look at the daily chart, I only see a way where we can go up. I mean, we've been trending the whole week. We've been trending up the whole week. So what do we tend to do? We tend to do another sweep of the previous high, and probably even the all-time high, because I still want that little manipulation on the whole week, because we had manipulation to the upside the whole week, so we can get some distribution to the downside on Friday. And I will explain stuff like this more in particular. I have to do more YouTube videos, and I really like doing YouTube videos. I just don't know why I'm so fucking lazy sometimes. So alright, even though this happened, I for some reason still looked for shorts. What I actually wanted to see is maybe, okay, we go on the ES, and let me actually go on the hourly chart, and boom, oh my god, what do we have here? We have a bullish SMT. Watch how we swept out this low on the Nasdaq. Boom, we swept this out. So now we have an SMT. So now, okay, now we support upside. And what I actually first thought that we would do, for some reason, I mean, sometimes you can be wrong, but in the end still be right. Like today, I thought, okay, ES might want to go ahead and sweep out yesterday's high, and then create a bearish SMT on the Nasdaq to maybe go ahead and go down to Asia low, which is actually pretty much fucking bullshit. And I'm glad that ES actually decided to go up. Like, ES did not present a single sweep. Like, it did not like present any way that we would sweep these highs from yesterday, which I was aiming for. So now I tell myself, okay, my bias is bullshit. So what does the Nasdaq tend to do when the ES is grinding to the upside but is lagging behind? It of course wants to follow the ES. So just one broad look on the 5-minute chart, and my entry may have been a little later, like a little late. I still think it's pretty alright, but okay. We inversed this fair value gap, and actually, I actually forgot about this. Let me actually add you the little, not everyone sees this, the little SMT we even created, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we created that SMT. I have that. Okay, it's right. I have it remembered. Boom. Oh my god, a bullish SMT. Now we inverse this fair value gap on the Nasdaq. And if you're a total fucking maniac, you could even use this little thing here. Even here, oh my god, I'm sorry. Quality videos, by the way. Even here, we inverse that fucking fair value gap. And now we have this right here. So you could have based your entry right here. Okay. But I was a little later. I looked for the 950 macro. So I choose this entry on this inversion fair value gap. Okay. We have around a 1 to 2 risk reward. I don't know if it's like totally correct, which I have drawn out here. I'm not the best at preparing, okay, but I'm good at hitting profits. So let me explain this to you. Boom. We sweep this out and we come down and we retest this inversion fair value gap, and from there we go back higher. This was, wait, let me actually check. That was a pretty significant high. That was also a high from yesterday. That was a high from the AM session from yesterday. So that's where I took my partials and my stop loss. This is my stop loss, okay. This blue line got break even around like right here. Market came down. It retested this fair value gap, which also has a bullish order block. So if you are a complete maniac, you could actually re-enter here. Okay. And what do we do from here? We ride it up to the yesterday's highs, where I have had my final take profit. I think I've not missed anything for today. I think it was a solid trade. I mean, of course, the price action still is a little choppy. Like it took a very long time to actually hit my take profit. Like usually I don't hold this long, but it was just too certain because look at the S&P. Like S&P was strong all session long, and this what had me confident in the whole trade. And I think that's actually it. That's actually it. Okay, so even I myself found this trade very interesting. I really like the trade, and I think the reason why I like this trade so much is because I haven't traded one whole week. Like I'm fucking hallucinating. I haven't traded in one whole week, so I think that this was like pretty good. Okay, I want to share this with all of you, and I really hope my audio recorded this time, because last time I recorded a whole video like this and it didn't record, but it should have recorded. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked it, and I actually want to get a little more active on YouTube, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.